Hi, I'm Wayne from Undone. I run a smart repair business which has been going for about 18 years. My family have been in the car business for almost 35 years. I was never interested in the business. When I left school, I moved into the wildlife business as a guide. But when I moved to the UK, there wasn't much call for that work, so I set up Undone, which is now growing strength from strength each year. And as the business grows, I try and find products that work better for me and are easier for my job, saving me time and the speed of the repair. Undone is a smart repair centre. We specialise in small to medium area repair techniques, sort of a bumper scuff, maybe 2 panels, a little bit more than that occasionally, some leather interior work. But we like to deliver a high quality finish within the time that we're working. So most jobs will come into me between 8 to 9 in the morning. If it's an interior job, it's normally back out the same day. A paint job, I like to hand out the next day. Although it could probably be done in the same day, I like to give it that little bit extra time. So I use Q1 products because of 2 reasons. One, especially their 1-inch masking tape is brilliant for anywhere where you've got edges that you've got a slight curve to them. You need to flex that tape round to get a smooth finish on it. It's great if you're working on a wheel arch and you've got a slight damage, then you need to do a skim, but you want to keep the line of the wheel arch. That's where that tape is really good. The other reason I really like Q1 products is the colour of the tape. The tape is a bright yellow, almost a sunflower yellow, and this helps with the repair. It helps you see where you've masked up, any sections you've missed so you don't get any overspray on the rest of the car. But for me, it also brightens my day. I come in workshop, I see the car masked up in the yellow tape. I know it's a small thing, but it makes me smile. And those are the reasons I like to use Q1, other than it delivers.